Hello friends, in this case we are going to start the problem solving for controller design via matching coefficient method for the third order system. In the previous conditions we have seen matching coefficient method for the second order system. Here we are going to learn for the third order system. Now let us consider the exam problem. X dot is equal to a into x plus b into u, where a is equal to 0 1 0 0 0 1 minus 1 minus 5 minus 6, b is what 0 0 1, and desired pole locations are minus 2 plus minus 4j and s is equal to minus 10. So as we know, the first and the foremost important step is to find or to check whether the system is what controllable or not. So let us go for step number 1, finding the controllability. Step number 1, finding controllability, which means that QC determinant value should not be equal to what? 0. Therefore, since the problem is for third order system, I can say QC is equal to B AB A square into what? B. This is what QC matrix. So QC now becomes equal to QC equal to, now what is B? B is 0 0 1. AB becomes 0 1 minus 6. A square B becomes 1 minus 6 and 31. So this is what determinant, or you can say matrix QC. Now we need to check determinant of QC, what is the value. If you try to solve determinant of QC, it becomes equal to what? Minus 1, which is not at all equal to what? 0. Therefore I can say system is what? Controllable, and controller design is possible. Now let us go with the concept of matching coefficient method, where we need to go for determinant of Si minus A plus Bk is equal to desired expression. So step number 2, matching coefficient method formula is what? Actually it is determinant of Si minus A plus Bk is equal to what? Desired expression. So in this step what we are going to do, we are going to find out what is the desired expression. So desired expression is given as S. We have got 3 poles. S is equal to minus 2 plus minus J4 and S is equal to minus 10. Students, please check. These are the 3 pole locations given to us. What is that? S is equal to minus 2 plus minus J4 and S is equal to minus 10. So let us solve the problem. Therefore, I can say desired expression is equal to, first point, S minus 2 plus 4j common, S minus 2 minus 4j. Students, please make a note of one thing. What is that note? That note is this minus sign is actually becoming positive over here. Now why it is positive over here? Because if we shift this term on the RHS of the given is equal to sign, it becomes minus. Please make this note. Then after that, common with what? S plus 10. So if you expand the terms, you will get that is equal to A plus B. A minus B is what? A square minus B square. So S plus 2 the whole square minus 4j the whole square common with what? S plus 10. So therefore on solving the above expression, we get desired expression is equal to, it becomes S cube plus 14 S square plus 60 S plus 200. Mark this important expression and be ready. So here we have found desired expression. Now let us try to find determinant of Si minus A plus Bk. Simple. So step number 3, determinant of Si minus A plus Bk is equal to. Now what is determinant of Si? S0 0 0 S0 0 0 S. Si minus A. What is A matrix now? A matrix. A matrix becomes 0 1 0 0 0 1 and it is given in the form. Please refer the problem once again. Minus 1 minus 5 minus 6 plus B into K. What is B now? B is 0 0 1 and K becomes K1 K2 and K3. Students, please make a note, since it's a third order system, we have taken K as what? K1, K2, K3. In the previous problem, since it was a second order system, we have taken K as what? K1 and K2. Please make this note very, very careful. Don't get confused. Now, next point, that is equal to common with S0, 0, 0, S0, 0, 0, S, the whole common minus ये common with what? 0 1 0 0 0 1 minus 1 minus 5 minus 6 and plus. So this becomes 0 0 0 0 0 0. It becomes K1 K2 and K3. Okay. So now if you solve this determinant of Si minus A plus Bk, the final expression that you get is as follows. It is going to be S cube plus common with 6 plus K 3 common with what? S square plus 5 plus K2 common with S plus 1 plus K1. You got this answer for determinant of Si minus A, that is what? S cube plus common with 6 plus K3 S square plus common with K plus K2 S plus common with what? Common, in bracket 1 plus K1. Now mark this expression, very important expression. Step number 4, we are going to go for the combination part. Step number 4, that is what? Determinant of Si minus A plus Bk is equal to what? Desired expression. So we need to compare now. So what is determinant of Si minus A plus Bk? It was found to be S cube plus, help me out, 6 plus K3 common with what? S square plus common with 5 plus K2 common with what? S plus common with 1 plus K1. And this is equal to, what was desired expression? It was S cube plus 14S square plus 60S plus 200. Now what you do? Equate this with 14. So 6 plus K3 is equal to 14. Why we have equated 6 plus K3 equal to 14? Because they are the coefficient of what? S square. So K3 value was found out to be what? K3 was found out to be 8. Correct. Then compare this equation with 60. So we get 5 plus K2 is equal to what? 60. So therefore K2 is equal to what? 55. Mark it. Then equate this with this expression. What you get? You get 1 plus K1 is equal to 200. Therefore K1 is equal to what? 199. Done with this expression. So we have got the expression for K1, K2 and K3. Let us go for the cumulative answer. So final answer, therefore the values of gain matrix K is equal to 199, 55 and 8. This completes the problem using a concept of what? Controller design for a controller system with feedback using matching coefficient method. Thank you very much for watching this video.